Hey guys, today I will show you how to mount monsters in Monster Hunter World. To mount a monster, you need to deal jumping attacks. This can be done by jumping off ledges, slopes, or using terrain like vines and walls. You can also use certain weapon moves that launch you into the air. When you land a successful jumping attack, there's a chance you'll mount the monster. Once mounted, you'll see prompts to move, brace, or attack. Use the brace button when the monster thrashes to avoid getting thrown off. Attack only when the monster is tired to build up mount damage. If you mount properly, you'll eventually knock the monster down, giving you a long damage window. And that is how to mount monsters in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.